Okay, so we got problem number 8, which is f of x equals to the integral of tangent cubed of x from -1 to 1. So the first thing we have to do is use trigonometric identities. So we will use a tangent squared and change it for a secant squared of x minus 1, and we'll multiply by the remainder of tangent. So we will get secant squared of tangent minus tangent dx, and so in there we have to apply u substitution. So our u will be tangent and our derivative will be secant squared. So right here we apply that the first integral is u du minus tangent of x. And so that will give us u squared over 2 minus the natural logarithm of secant, which is the antiderivative of tangent. And so the result will be tangent squared of x. We'll plug in the u. And so it's tangent squared of x over 2 minus natural logarithm of secant plus secant.
This is the graph of the function tangent to the cube. As you can see, we have a negative area and a positive area. So we'll have to get the integral from the intervals from -1 to 0 and the integral from the intervals from 0 to 1 and then add up the result.
Okay, so whenever we have the equation integrated, we're gonna go to the graph and see the numbers that we have. So we have from -1 to 0. So the first thing that we're gonna do is plug 0 in the function in here. And this result is -1.21. You're gonna do the same thing but with -1. The result is 0.62. You're gonna subtract these two and the answer is -1.83. You're gonna do the same with this one, which is from 0 to 1, which is the second part of the graph. You're gonna plug in the 1 and the result is 1.21. You plug in the 0 here and the result is 0.62. You're gonna subtract them and the result is 1.148. After this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the absolute value of both of them and you're gonna add them up. So the result of the whole area is 2.978 units of area.